This is Renuka Bhavan Singh and I am going to present a lecture on packet switching. Now what is packet switching and where it is used? Actually it is a technique to transfer data from transmitter to receiver. What happens here is if we use a protocol to send a data. If longer, then we divide it into small packets and transfer individually with some different routes, and they'll travel with some different routes to its destination. Once all packets forming a message arrive at the destination, they are recompiled into the original message. They'll recompile into the original message as I discussed earlier. Now, how its operation works, means how packet switching is operated. Data are transmitted in short packets and the packet size is round about 1000 octets. If a station has a longer message to send, it breaks it up into a series of small packets. Each packets now contain parts of the user's data and some control information. The control information should be at least contains destination address and source address. Now, advantages of packet switching. First is line efficiency. When a single node-to-node link can be shared by many packets over time, packets queued and transmitted as fast as possible. Packets queued and transmitted as fast as possible. And data rate conversion. Each station connects to the local node at its own speed. Nodes buffer data if required to equalize rates. Packets are expected even when network is busy. Now, what is circuit switching? Now, what is switching techniques? Means how many types of switching techniques are used for packets to switch from transmitter to receiver. There are two types of switching techniques. They are virtual switching and datagram switching. Now what is datagram switching? In datagram switching approach, each packets are treated independently with no reference to packets that have gone before. Means no connection is set up. Packets can take any practical route. Packets may arrive out of order. Packets may go missing. Up to receiver to reorder packets and recover from missing packets. More processing time per packet per node. This is somehow datagram switching looks. Here you can see that a message is split into 3 packets, 1, 2, 3, and they are sent. They can each move with its own way, with any way and at the end when they reach to the destination, they all will collected and synchronized and decoded in information. What is virtual packet switching? What is virtual circuit packet switching? In the virtual circuit approach, a pre-planned route is established before any packets are sent. There is a call set up before the exchange of data. All packets follow the same route and therefore arrive in sequence. Each packet contains a virtual circuit identifier instead of destination address. More setup time. No routing decisions required for each packet. Less routing or processing time. Susceptible to data loss in the face of link or node failure. This is somehow packet switching. A temporary route is formed from transmitter to receiver and all data will follow the same route and they'll reach at the destination with the single route. Now, difference between virtual circuits and datagram. Virtual circuits, what are they? Network can provide sequencing and error control. Packets are forwarded more quickly, no routing decisions to make, less reliable, loss of a node losses all circuits through that node datagram. No call setup phase, better if few packets, more flexible. Packet switching datagrams or virtual switching. Packet switching datagrams or virtual circuits. Interface between station and network node connection oriented. They are connection oriented. Station request logical connection. All packets identified as belonging to that connection and sequentially numbered. Network delivers packets in sequence. External virtual circuit service, example X.25. Different form internal virtual circuit operation. Connectionless packets handled independently. External datagram services are used. This is external datagram services looks like.